Hello and welcome to Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In the first matchup of the tournament, we have Plasma X versus Katana, which should be an excellent race. After 5 throws, the plane with more points will advance to the next round, so let's see them in action. 3, 2, 1, go! And with that, Plasma X is our winner with a score of 5-0. Truly, this was a dominant performance from what must be one of the tournament favorites. Honestly, I don't think Plasma X even hit its full potential in this race, so it will be exciting to see what it can achieve in the future. With this result, Katana is eliminated from the tournament, while Plasma X advances to round 2, where it will face the winner of Dagger and Astral, who race in just 2 days, so be sure to stay tuned for that. If you'd like to learn how to fold Plasma X or Katana, you can click on the videos on the left, and if you want to see the next race in this tournament, click on the video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.